today's chief guest, Mr. Michael Mullen, and the guest of honor, Mr. Shivakumar Rungta, and Sri Gopal Krishna Garu, and again Sri Ravindra Rao Garu, KDCCB President. So I will be just giving a brief presentation on what exactly we are doing now, then the rest of the program follows after that. This is eFresh portal. We focused on farmer to the consumer. That means to covering the whole agri supply chain. That is one of our main objectives in starting this portal. See, the main focus is empowering agriculture, food processing and food safety by providing information and also the knowledge to all the stakeholders in the entire food supply chain. See, the objectives, important objectives what we have laid down. One is bring innovative crop production techniques, advisory services, quality inputs and good agriculture practices, because this good agriculture practices becoming very, very critical in terms of supply of farm produce either to the consumer or to the processing unit. So keeping that objective in mind, we are focusing food safety as well. And second, capacity building through field exposures and also the training. See, always capacity building has two components. One is field exposure and also on-site training. Then enhancement of the production of safe, secure and quality food, because that is the mandate now. All the governments need to ensure supply of safe food to the consumers. And finally, very, very critical is creating an effective market linkage. You see, India being the second largest producer of fruits and vegetables, many of our suppliers, whether it is producer groups, whether it is processing companies, whether it is exporters, they are not visible to the world market. So we are making, this is the first platform its kind in the world, where we focused on collection of food safety certified suppliers for different standards, so that anybody can go to the platform and he can find the buyers as well within that segment through online. We have several knowledge partners actually who are also supporting in terms of the content and also financially. You can see ICRISAT and Michigan State University. Actually, we started in 2005 under FoodSat. The first batch of Maharashtra State Agricultural Officers, we have trained both our FoodSat company and this Michigan State University. Nearly about 120 officials we have trained in Maharashtra. So we have similarly Agriculture University, and one more important society is this Global Food Safety Initiative is there, that is called GFSI. See, this Global Food Safety Initiative is a worldwide association of all retailers like this Tesco, Walmart, Metro, all are the members of that society. So they create benchmarking of the standards for all food sectors, and it is mandated, particularly in Western countries, all the suppliers to the retailers must have the good agricultural practices implemented, then only they can supply the food to the retailers. And we focused on the business model, both online, that is to portal, and on-site we have identified very, very critical. One is farmers development centers being set up in important crop production centers. For example, I was in Shimla 28th of last month, where minister, they invited me to make a presentation, and they have decided now to set up one FDC in Himachal Pradesh, and also 2 Raitu Ratham programs with gap demo centers, and they wanted to create a separate market linkage platform for the state of Himachal Pradesh, because they wanted to have this reaching and teaching the farmers in their villages. That is very important, so that you will be actually serving the real farmers who are cultivating the farms. Then we have identified online some sections, because future is going to be, sourcing of information will be through the internet. That is why everybody is focusing, everybody goes to Google to search for some information. So our focus is within the entire supply chain to see what is the best we can provide. And one is market linkage, and another is a tenders section. Within the agri supply chain, we collect all the tenders, and every day we upload into the portal, so all the business related people can use this so that they can bid for the tenders. Then another section, very important section, what we did, agri solar. That means solar is going to be the future of the requirement for electricity, and government also is focusing. So we are bringing all the solar related activities pertaining to the agriculture and also the households, particularly in rural areas where electricity is not available for more than 8-9 hours. Another section what we find is the dairy section. We have divided farm management and also the processing related. All the information we have collected and uploaded into the section.